Hi Chris, Spencer from Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. This morning we got your inquiry regarding the vehicle to my left. This is our 2020 Cadillac Escalade. Beautiful, beautiful vehicle, incredibly low miles. We'll get to that a little bit later on in the video. Let's start with the exterior. It's a vehicle, comes in a beautiful metallic white, so not a flat color, but a lot of metal flake in that paint as well. Beautiful, beautiful front end. Of course, the Escalade getting all the bells and whistles when it comes to fog lights, LED lights up front. Just a lot of really, really nice upgrades. The new facelift design from Cadillac here really brings a very nice big body kind of style to this Escalade. Lots of chrome work up front, parking sensors in the front bumper as well. And as we come along the side of the vehicle, we'll see some of that chrome work tying in to the wheels. Beautiful, beautiful multi-spoke wheels from Cadillac. Nice, again, chrome styling continuing along the side of the door panels, your door handles, and along to the rear of the vehicle. Classic styling for the Escalade comes around with these huge LED taillights running all the way up to the length of the side of the vehicle. Again, parking sensors in the rear, big chrome work on the back, that big Cadillac logo. Really, you can just see the condition of the vehicle. 4,000 miles on this 2020 Escalade in excellent, excellent condition. To contrast the white exterior, we have a beautiful kind of light brown interior. Let's take a closer look. Inside the Escalade, we can take a closer look at the interior. We'll start with our dashboard and steering wheel controls. So, steering wheel here, we have cruise control functions, heated steering wheel, volume, and phone control, all right on the front of our steering wheel. Wipers on the left side, high beams, turn indicators. On the right, we have our gear selector, our trailer control, everything on this right stock here. Automatic lights, of course, optional, four-wheel drive, high and low gears. We have a beautiful system here up front. This does our heated seats, our ventilated seats, our air conditioning for dual zone climate control, all of our navigation, our Bluetooth, our multimedia, all run right from this screen here. Parking sensors, our lane departure warnings, all that's operated from these buttons. We have our start, push to start button here. As I mentioned, a beautiful kind of light coffee brown interior, nice matte wood trim across the dashboard, little suede inserts in the dash and the door sills as well. Really gives it a nice kind of look to the interior. And in the rear of the vehicle, we have two captain's chairs in the second row, opening up lots of space to that third row option. Really a fantastic job by Cadillac building a very comfortable, very quiet, and very responsive vehicle. Other options include things like your blind spot monitoring system, a heads-up display, a digital dashboard here, so all of my speedometer and tachometer functions, all my media and phone control, nice big screen here in the center, speed limit assist, so many other great options. What we wanted to do is just put together just a little bit of a video tour, give you some ins and outs of the Escalade. Chris, I'm happy to answer any questions you have. Please give me a call, 207-210-4796, or my email is sroe, that's SROE, @driveprime.com. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.